Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recover Instagram account without email and number. And the first step is go to the Instagram application, and after that you need to pick here and forget your password. So in this part you need to put the email you want to recover your account. You pick in continue, and here if you got the email, the only thing you need to do is put the code they sent to you to this email. But if you don't have this email, you pick here in can't confirm account, and they ask to you which account are you having trouble logging into, and you pick here in this is the account you got trouble. Here you need to choose a way to recover your Instagram account. You pick here in try another way, and you need to pick here in the login with forget my password. I can reset. You pick in next, and after that you need to pick here in just take a selfie video to confirm my account. So after that you can do that a selfie video for recover that account and change the password if you want. So this is the last process. You pick here and you complete the process of recover your account without email or phone number. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.